Some craft kits come with a handful of supplies and instructions on exactly how to build or design something. This one's different. There are no instructions, nothing you can do wrong, and no end to the creations that you can make. The only limit is your imagination. Buy from your local Walmart store or grab yours from the link in the description now.
Take a good look into those eyes. Can you feel now how they see life? Have a moment, have a good try. Can you feel now how they see life? Behind these doors can be such a mess now. Ooh, yeah. Forgive them for try not to be judgmental. Yeah, yeah. You can have your problems and didn't know what's wrong with them. Can you feel now that we're imperfect? You can tell they're crazy, rude, unhappy, lazy. Can you feel now that we're imperfect? We're imperfect. Can you feel now that we're imperfect? You can tell they're crazy,